Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to add a custom domain email in Grigora Mail. This feature allows you to create professional email addresses using your own website domain. Let's get started. First, log in to your Grigora account. From the dashboard, switch to the Emails tab from the left sidebar. Once you are on the Emails page, click on Create Inbox. This will start the setup process. You will see a Select Domain option. Click on the drop-down menu and select Add Website. In the input field that appears, paste or type your custom domain name and click Add Domain. Next, you need to create the specific email address. Choose from the suggested prefixes, or you can type your own. Then, create a secure password for this new email account. Click Continue to proceed. You will now see a set of DNS records. You need to add these records to your domain management settings, where you bought your domain. Once you have added them, click Check Verification. Note, if you have already done this or want to do it later, you can select Skip for now, but verification is required for the email to work. In the next step, you have the option to forward a copy of incoming emails to another address. This is useful if you want to manage everything from your primary inbox. Fill this in if needed, or simply click Continue. Finally, enter the email name, the sender name people will see. You can also check the box to Include Website Link in Signature if you want to automatically promote your site. Once everything looks good, click Finish Setup. And that's it. Your custom domain email has been successfully added to Grigora Mail. See you in the next one.